Once you've added feeds, organize them into folders to keep everything tidy. Here's how. Go to the Feeds tab and click the Create Folder button in the sidebar. In the pop-up, name your folder, select the feeds to include, and click Save Folder. Your folder will appear in the sidebar. Add feeds and reorder folders easily with drag and drop. Right-click a folder to view its properties or rename it. For full folder management, go to Preferences, then Content, and click Folders to see and edit all your folders. Folders make your feeds easy to navigate and keep everything organized. Start arranging your feeds today.